Welcome back, students. How are you today? Okay, nice to hear those words. So my name is Mickey Charles Latorre from Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher, major in Automotive Technology. First, we can watch a short video and share your thoughts about the video you watch. Share your what is the problem of that video.
Community quarantine is hereby imposed in the entire of Metro Manila.
4 na buwan matapos ang dapat na simula ng school year 2020-2021, nakabalik-eskwela na rin ang mahigit 24,000 estudyante sa mga pampublikong paaralan.
Dinago ng pandemya ang pamamaraan, walang harapang klase, kundi online. Modular ang mga leksyon.
Mahigit isang linggo na lang, pasukan na. Ang problema sa gamit sa eskwela ng ating kababayan, nadagdagan pa ng pagsubok sa signal
para patuloy lang makapag-aral ang mga bata sa kabila ng sitwasyon.
So, okay, later we answer those questions after our discussion. Now, I will discuss to all of you my topic. So, my topic is all about creating sample instructional materials using a Kahoot application. I'm here to discuss this topic to give you an idea, and I know it will be very useful for us as a student and someday as a future teacher. So, now let's start our discussion. So, our objectives are, at the end of the webinar, students should be able to, first, identify the different types of application as an open-ended tools for teaching and learning. Second one, discuss Kahoot application as an open-ended tool for teaching and learning. 3, show how to create a Kahoot account as an open-ended tool for teaching and learning. Number 4, demonstrate how to post sample instructional materials using a Kahoot application as an open-ended tool for teaching and learning. And the last one is value the importance of Kahoot application in teaching and learning. So, okay, students, before we go to our main topic, I will discuss first the different types of application as an open-ended tools for teaching and learning. So we have 12 types of application as an open-ended tool for teaching and learning. First is Google Classroom. Second one is Excel or Microsoft Excel. Third is Google Form. Fourth, PowerPoint. Next one is Nearpad. Next is Microsoft Word. Next one is Kahoot, Edmodo, So Creative, TED-Ed, Storybird, and the last one is Educ Clipper. So, okay class, now we identify what is the function of the types of sample application as an open-ended tools. First is Google Classroom. So, Google Classroom is a suite of online tool that allows teachers to set assignments, have work submitted by students to mark and return graded papers. We all know that Google Classroom is one of the applications we use in our academics during this pandemic will happen until now. Second one is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and iPad OS. In futures, calculation or computation capabilities, graphing tools, pivot tables, and macro programming language called a Visual Basic for application. So third one is Google Form. It's a server administration software included as part of the free. So web-based Google Docs editor should offered by Google. So in this application, we can create questions like quiz, exam, or survey for our students. Also, this application has a summary of responses. Fourth is Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a presentation-based program that uses graphics, video, and etc. to make a presentation more interactive and interesting. So this application is also used by our teachers, also the students for the reporting or reporting classes. So the fifth is a nearpad. So this tool is nice in you can not only gather evidence for students learning like an all student responses system, but also create a differentiated lessons based on the data you collected. So also, Nearpad is a classroom tool to engage students by adding interactive activities to your lesson. So like polls, collaboration, and game-based quizzes. So the sixth is Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is a word processing program that allows for the creation of simple and complex documentations. So this application also help teachers, also to our students. We can create a test paper or any kind of documents. And we can insert also here a photo, video, and shapes. And also images. So seventh is Kahoot, a game-based classroom response system where teachers can create quizzes using internet content. So through this tool, teachers can create questionnaires, discussions, or survey that complement academic lessons. So 8 is Edmodo, is an educational tool that connects the teacher and students and is assimilated into a social network. In this one, teachers can create online collaborative groups, administers, and provide educational materials, measure student performance, and communicate with parents among other functions. 9 is ASA Creative. So it's a system that allows creating exercises or educational games. So also, this application, teachers can see the result of the activities and depending on this, modify the subsequent lessons in order to make them more personalized. So the 10 is TED-Ed. So it's an educational platform that allows educational lessons with collaboration of teachers and students. So also, this website allows democratizing access to inform both for teachers and students. So 11 is the storyboard. So aims to promote writing and reading skills in students through storytelling. With this tool, teachers can create interactive and artistic book online through a simple and easy-to-use interface. So last application is Educ Deeper. So this platform allows teachers and students to share and explore references and educational materials. So these applications provide the opportunities for teachers to organize a virtual class with their students and create a portfolio where all the work carried out is stored. So okay, students, now the main topic of this lesson is creating a sample instructional materials using a Kahoot application. So I will discuss the application that I want to share with all of you. This is what is the meaning of that and the functions, which is the application is a Kahoot. So what is Kahoot application? So Kahoot application is a game-based classroom response system where teachers can create quizzes using internet content. So I will discuss what is the function of a Kahoot application. We have 3 functions. First is create, and create a fun learning game in minutes. We call this Kahoot. So the format and number of questions are up to you. And add videos, images, and diagrams to your question to amplify engagement. So next is play. So Kahoot are best played in a group setting. To join a game, you need a unique pin. If you're the game host, you need a big screen. Players answer on their devices, while questions are displayed on a shared screen. In addition, to leave games, you can also send Kahoot challenges that players complete at their own pace. For example, for homework or remote training. So the lastly is the share. So after a game, encourage players to create and share their own Kahoots with one of the Kahoots premium plans from schools or businesses. So you can create games with your colleagues and save time on finding relevant Kahoots for your class training sessions. So, good day to all of you. In this video, I will show on how to create a sample instructional materials using a Kahoot application.
Good day to all of you. In this video, I will show on how to create a sample instructional materials using a Kahoot application. First thing to do is to open your browser and search for Kahoot. After that, click Learning Games or Make Learning Awesome. Then, click Login. So, after that, if you have a Kahoot account, you can type your username or email and your password and click Login for the first timer user. But this account is my second account for the Kahoot application. So if you don't have a Kahoot account, you can click continue with your Google and click your email in the right side of your screen. So after you log in, click create. So create and click Kahoot, new Kahoot. So create new Kahoot and click create. So now you can type your sample questions to space provide. So type the samples question. For example, it refers to software and platforms for teaching and learning that can be used with computers or mobile device to work. So after that, type your possible answer. So first is open-ended tools. Next is media technology. Next one is educational technology. Educational. Next, for the last option is technology. So, and after that, you can click the time limit, which is 20 seconds for this question. And for the points, you can click the standard. Yan, here. Then, after you set the time limit and points, you can click the correct answer, which is open-ended tools. So, okay, if you want to add questions, you can click add questions, but now we can use a true or false question. So, the question is, open-ended tools, it refers to software and platforms for teaching and learning that can be used with computer. Yeah. So, computer or mobile devices. So work. Okay. So click the points again. So here's for true or false is double points, which is 2 points yung is set, and click the 20 seconds time limit. So Next is click the correct answer, which is true. So after that, you can add, if you want to add again the questions, you can click again the add question. And that's all. You can click the save button and validate this. So the click done button, and that's all. You can start your quiz number 1. So already assigned for the students. So after that, you can create a sample instructional materials. So first is click the create course. So you can type the name of your documents, which is module 1. And after that, you can click the documents button and upload button. Click the OneDrive button or the downloads and see what documents you want to download in Kahoot application. So click the PDF file documents and click to the open button. So click the save button, wait for the loading. Okay, here. So click the save button. And click the study, self-study if you want to review your document posted. So type your nickname, which is Mickey Charles. And okay, go. And here. So okay, click the mark as done or mark as read here and view the result. And that's all.
Here the references of this topic, you can browse the following link and you need to gain to come more learning to your mind. So I hope that you learn as well as enjoy my topic and presentation. So have a good day and thank you for listening.